Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to restore notes on your iPhone. Maybe you accidentally deleted your notes and want to get them back. How do you do that? It's very easy. There is a great way. For example, I will delete any note. To find it again, we click on Folders. And here we see a folder recently deleted. This folder contains all the notes that we have deleted. After deleting for 40 days, the notes will be here. It works the same way as in the photo and video gallery. We click here. At the top, we click Edit. We choose the note that we want and click Move. And then we open the notes and we see what were deleted here. This is a nice and easy way. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.